Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new space in your account on Wrike to add projects to it for your team. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your workspace on Wrike, and within your workspace navigate to the sidebar here to the left. You may also expand it if you don't see it here. And then what you want to do is navigate to spaces here and click into this plus button to create a new space here. After that, click into blank space in the top right corner and then customize it. Give it a name here, my example space 3, for example. Here you may describe it, set the type, for example lock it or set it to public, add members to it by inviting them through an email invitation, and here also choose the work item types that will be added to the space. You may also create a new one. So once you're ready to create your blank space within your workspace on Wrike, click into create in the bottom left, and then your space will be added, as you can see here to the left, so that you may navigate between your spaces here and add projects, databases and tools to it. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.